Hello! Have you decided to learn Turkish but don't know exactly where to start? In this video, I will give you the ultimate golden key to unlock the Turkish language. Vowel Harmony. Hello again, I am Furkan from Turbotalkers. Turbotalkers is a constantly evolving language learning platform created for people who want to master Turkish. You can sign up completely for free, find a tutor for one-on-one lessons if you wish, or check out our free materials. The Turkish alphabet has 29 letters and is read exactly as it is written. But today, we are only going to focus on 8 specific letters, the vowels. Turkish has exactly 8 vowels. A, E, I, O, Ö, U, Ü. To understand Turkish, you need to know that these 8 vowels are split into 2 teams based on where they are produced in your mouth. Back vowels, A, O, U. Front vowels, I, Ü. Why does this matter? Because Turkish is an agglutinative language. This means we build words like Lego structures, attaching suffixes to a root word to create meaning. To make these words sound smooth, the suffix must harmonize with the last vowel of the word. Let's see how this works with two-way vowel harmony. In two-way vowel harmony, you have only 2 choices for your suffix vowel, a or e. If the last vowel of the word is a back vowel, a, o, u, you use a in the suffix. If the last vowel is a front vowel, I, ü, you use e in the suffix. A perfect example is the plural suffix, which is either lar or ler. Araba ends in a back vowel, so it becomes arabalar. Kedi ends in a front vowel, so it becomes kediler. Let's test your knowledge. I'll give you 5 words and you have 3 seconds to tell me if they take lar or ler. Okul, okullar. Masa, masalar. Ev, evler. Gül, güller. Telefon, telefonlar. Great job! Now let's level up to four-way vowel harmony. Here, your suffix gives you 4 choices instead of 2. I, U, or Ü. Here are the rules. If the last vowel is A or use I. If the last vowel is E or I, use I. If the last vowel is O or U, use U. If the last vowel is Ö or Ü, use Ü. We use this harmony perfectly when asking yes-no questions. In Turkish, we use the question particles mı, mi, mu, or mü. Bu bir ev. The last vowel is e, so the question becomes bu bir ev mi? Bu bir okul. The last vowel is u, so we ask bu bir okul mu? Are you ready for your second test? Complete this question using mı, mi, mu, or mü. Bu bir çanta. Bu bir çanta mı? Bu bir kedi. Bu bir kedi mi? Bu bir kuş. Bu bir kuş mu? Bu bir kapı. Bu bir kapı mı? Bu bir gül. Bu bir gül mü? And there you have it, the golden key to Turkish. Mastering vowel harmony to piece words together like Lego blocks. Keep practicing and it will become second nature in no time. Don't forget to visit Turbotalkers for more resources, practice materials and one-on-one tutoring. Görüşmek üzere.